To turn on track changes in Word 2025, follow these steps. First, open your Word document and locate the Review tab in the top navigation menu. Click on the Review tab to access the Track Changes features. In the Review tab, you will see a section called Tracking. Within this section, there is a button labeled Track Changes. Click on this button to enable track changes. When you click on Track Changes, it will toggle to On. You can confirm that Track Changes is enabled by looking for a check mark next to the Track Changes button. With Track Changes enabled, any changes you make to the document will be highlighted and attributed to you. This includes insertions, deletions, and formatting changes. To customize how Track Changes displays, click on the arrow below the Track Changes button. This will open a drop-down menu with options to change the display settings. You can choose to show or hide insertions, deletions, and formatting changes, as well as select the color and formatting used to display these changes. Best practice is to turn on track changes at the beginning of the editing process, so all changes are captured. It is also a good idea to set the display settings to show all changes, so you can see exactly what has been edited. By following these steps and using track changes effectively, you can collaborate on documents and keep a clear record of all edits made. This is particularly useful in professional and academic settings, where transparency and accountability are essential. In summary, turning on track changes in Word 2025 is a straightforward process that involves accessing the Review tab, clicking on the Track Changes button, and customizing the display settings as needed. By using track changes, you can ensure that all edits are captured and attributed, making it easier to collaborate and manage document revisions.